Hello ma'am, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedunder.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give a brief introduction about yourself. Ma'am.
Hi Dhaval, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I am Mrs. Neelam Fadnis, Head of the Department Computer Engineering. I have done my BE and ME in computers, currently pursuing my PhD, and I have more than 20 years of experience in this field.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector, ma'am, and how has been your experience so far with this institute?
I believe in the PM's vision of making our country a developed country, which is totally based on the technological strength. And the industry problems can only be solved through the research which goes on in institutions like ours. So this is what keeps me connected to the education sector.
Being the HOD in computer department at LR Tiwari Engineering College, what are your roles and responsibilities, ma'am?
Other than the academic responsibilities, in today's classroom environment, it is very difficult to focus on each and every student. So my primary role is to develop an ecosystem so that we can nurture each and every child in the class.
Do you have any extracurriculum activity or program to enhance the skills of students?
Yes, sure. We have a development center at the institution, which is in tie-up with Lab Systems, a pioneering firm in digital forensics. Here students work on real-life challenges in line with law enforcement agencies.
How do you try to bring practical approach toward these subjects and make it industry-oriented?
To make the subjects interesting and basically to provide hands-on experience to the students, we have a unique initiative called Prayas. Here we provide real-time challenges provided by industry personnel along with guidelines to solve these problems.
What do you see as the greatest strength of LR Tiwari College of Engineering?
The greatest strength of our college is, as I said, the development center, which is in tie-up with industry. And also we provide internships to each and every student in the institute.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
You are lucky enough to be born in this era wherein India is marching towards the developed nation. I would ask you to maximize this opportunity.
It was a pleasure talking to you and interviewing your thoughts on education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.